So guys, if someone donate me, I will be play whatever you want. Okay. Bro, just poll. If someone like this video, I get a face reveal. Oh my face, guys, I gonna do a face reveal. For real. I play this game a lot, but I play Rivals a little more, and I'm very noob in the Rivals. I'm level 42, but my win streak is 37 for that. Oh my gosh, my phone is kinda lagging. Boom! Just weekend, by the way. I'm gonna just send this upper floor. And what stage is this? Is 7. Oh my, I gonna not. I make it! Yes! If I fall, I gonna end the recording. Oh! If I die, I gonna end the recording. Oh, boom! Boom!